I had some comments about the summer drink for the apple or the lemonade. It is 3 apples and 1 lemon, so I was going to show you how to make that real quick on the 4th of July. And my awesome husband's going to come cut these for us.
All
So
right.
we'll get those. And then you can do it with, so the recipe is 3 green apples, 1 lemon, or you can use red apples too. Ken, can you give me 3 red apples too? We'll do that in a second.
Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this core right here. You can pick these up. Really simple to use. Take the apple and put it in the middle where the seeding part is and the stem, and just core it. Pop it right through like that. Comes out. Actually, it's bent, but anyway, we'll core it. Force there. There you have.
Alright, looks like we got
Got some
company, so
company.
we'll
We're
make
gonna be
these quick.
getting some juice on.
Take this half off right there.
Like this.
That's it.
Okay, there you go. Core it.
Hi.
Hey.
You're in my YouTube video.
I'm sweating for you.
I'm doing a video. You're in it. Alright. You're in my YouTube Alright, that's one. Hey ladies. My nieces are here. They're officially, you want to taste some, Italy?
Yes, sure. I'll be back.
This is a great recipe. This is this. Alright, so that's it. You can do the 3 green, or you can do the 3 red, and then
It's
with
so
the 1
cute.
lemon.